Now, corresponding question है 3 phase 20 kV 20 kVA 415 volt star connected alternator is delivering a rated load at rated voltage. Okay. What about S naught? Corresponding to 3 phase, that is 20 kVA. Okay, this one is a rated value. Okay. Now this one is also written as root 3 times VL into IL, or you can say the root 3 times VPH into IPH. Okay. Now what about IPH? IPH is written as 20 into 10 to power 3 divided by in 3 phase star connection. IPH and IL both are same thing, both are same. Okay, that's why you can say that is IL. With the help of this one, IL is equal to root 3 into VL. What about VL? VL is 415 volt. Okay, so 20 into like this one divided by 415, that is like this one divided by root 3, that is 27.824 ampere. Okay. And what about VPH? VPH is written as, this one is star connection, that's why VPH is written as VL by root 3, and this one 415 divided by root 3, that is 239.6. Okay, that is 239.6 volt. Clear? Corresponding to question, rated load at a rated voltage like this one, and a rated current like this one. Okay, this one synchronous generator, alternative means synchronous generator. Okay, that's why V is equal to V at the angle 0, and this E is delta, E is equal to E at the angle delta. Okay, and ZS this equal to RA plus JS, and that is IA. So this current is IA. Clear? Okay. And power factor leading, cos phi is leading, cos phi is equal to 0.9 lead means, what about cos inverse 0.9 is written as 25 point something, means phi is equal to 25.84. okay, so IA in the terms of phasor is written as 27.824 at the angle leading, means that is positive 25.84 ampere. Clear? Its synchronous impedance ZS is given 0.2 plus J3 ohm per phase. Find the excitation EMF. Our motto first of all determine excitation EMF. After that focus on another what is determined. Okay, what is happening? E this equal to V plus IA plus ZS. E this equal to V plus, that is terminal voltage. What about terminal voltage? That is per phase, that is 239.6 at the angle 0. V always written as 239.6 at the angle 0. That's take reference. So what about IA? That is 27.824 at the angle 25.84. okay, into, it is converted into per phase, that is in per phase. So it is written as in the terms of polar form 0.2 plus 3J 3 at the angle 86.185. okay, it means 3 at the angle 86.185. finally we got into 27.824 at the angle 25.84. okay, plus 239.6 at the angle 0, Okay, it is written like this one and this one. So it is, if converted in polar form, so this one is 22.199 at the angle 20.42. Okay, so what about excitation angle? What about delta? Delta is 20.42 and E, finally E is written as 222.199 at the angle 20.92 in per phase. Volt. Okay, volt in per phase. Okay, if you determine line voltage, line if you determine excitation in line, then you can say that it is written for line EL, this is equal to root 3 times EPH. So root 3 into 222.199 at the angle 20.92. Okay, multiply root 3 is written as, if it is converted, that is, finally we got 384.86 at the angle 20.92. Okay, volt. That is EL in line term, in the terms of line. Okay, now corresponding to question. Written one by one. E, this is equal to EPH. EPH we got 222.199 at the angle 20.42 volt per phase. Okay, in the terms of line voltage, 384.86 at the angle 20.42 volt. Okay, responding to question. Find the excitation EMF, also determined like this one, in per phase, in line, like this one. Okay, now with constant excitation, the nature of the rated load, power factor is altered to 0.9 lagging. Means excitation is constant, that is in per phase, that is 222.199. okay, volt in per phase. Okay, and what about armature current? It is also constant. Armature current, how much? 27.824. okay, but what about power factor is changed. Power factor corresponding to 0.9. So cos phi is equal to 0.9 lagging. Okay, so what about sin phi? Sin phi is, first of all, determine phi, that is 25 point something. Phi is again 25.84. okay, so sin phi is equal to sin 25.84, that is 0.4358. okay, clear? Now our motor determine altered to determine the new terminal voltage. Our motor determine the new terminal voltage V. Okay, corresponding to synchronous generator, you can say that for lagging power factor, generator at lagging power factor, okay, E square, this I have already got E square, this equal to V cos theta plus IA into RA to the whole square plus V sin theta plus IA into RA to the whole square. 22.199 to the whole square, this is equal to V cos theta. Cos theta is 0.9 plus IA. What about IA? IA is 27.84824 into RA. RA is equal to 0.2. okay, to the whole square. Or you can say, first of all, in the terms of written all in the terms of it is written v square cos square plus sin square, written cos square theta plus sin square theta plus ia ra plus, okay, plus 2 times of v into ia into ra cos theta plus s sin theta. Okay, now our motto determine v. Okay, our motto determine v. This value is 1, this value is 1, so e square is written as v square plus ia square into ra square plus 2 times v into ia into ra cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, now what about e? That is 22.19199 to the whole square is written as v square plus ia, that is 27.824 to the whole square into ra into, what about ra? Ra is 0.2 to the whole square, it means 0.4 plus s square, that is 3, that is 9 plus 2 times v, ia is 27.824, okay, and ra is 0.2 cos 5 is equal to 0.9 plus, that is 3 into 0.4358. Okay, clear? Now v square plus 2 0.2 into 0.9 into 0.9 plus 3 into 0.4358, like this one, into 27.824. Okay, this is equal to into 2, that is 82.77 v. Okay, plus 9.04 into, or you can say that 27.824 to the whole square into 9.04, that is 854 minus 22.199 to the whole square. We got like this one. So finally written as minus of 42373.85. This is equal to 0. With the help of Siddharchar formula, V is equal to, I know that what was Siddharchar formula, bx plus c, this is equal to 0. So if you determine x, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, here a this equal to 1 and b this equal to 82.77 and b and c this equal to minus 42373.85. Okay, now what about b? B is written a minus 77 plus minus under root b square, that is 82.77 to the whole square minus 4ac, 1, that is plus 4, a this equal to 1 and c this equal to like this one, so minus minus plus, so okay, so 44373.85 divided by 2a, 2 into 1, so we got into, so like this one, okay, plus 82.77 to the whole square got an under root of this one, that is, so minus we got 4277 plus minus 419.93 divided by 2. Okay, take positive. If you take positive sign, then we got V this will equal to minus 77 plus 419.93 divided by 2. Okay, minus 82.77 like this one divided by 2, we got it 168.58. Okay, that is V this will equal to in per phase, bold per phase. So what about VL? If we want to VL, then return VL this will equal to root 3 into V. So into multiply by root 3, then got 291.994 volt. This is the final answer. Make it. Now corresponding question, a three-phase star connector synchronous generator at 10 kVA S0 as three phase, that is given 10 kVA, means 10 to power 3. Okay, VA, written VA, and 230 volt has synchronous reactance like this one and armature resistance of 0.5 something. First of all, that is synchronous generator. If this one is synchronous generator, then it is represented like this one. V this will equal to V at the angle 0. Zs is written as Ra plus Jx, and this one written as 0.5 plus 1.2 J, and this one E this will equal to E at the angle plus delta. Okay, and armature current like this one. Okay, per phase calculate the following. First one, the percentage voltage regulation at full load with 0.8 lagging power factor. Okay, first of all determine armature current. What about armature current? It is written as three phase, it is written as 10 to power 3. This one is also written as root 3 VL into IAR 3 times VPH into IA. Clear? Star connection, that's why. Clear? Now another way, divide by, if you follow this rule, 10 into 10 to power 3 divide by, what about voltage? There is 230 into root 3. So that is 10,000 divided by 230 into root 3. So what is the value of this one? Divide by 230 like this one, again divided by root 3, that is 25.102 ampere. Okay, now what about power factor? Corresponding to our motor determine voltage regulation at full load with this current is rated current, or you can say that full load current. Okay, that's why. Clear? Full load with 0.8 lagging power factor. Power factor cos phi, that is 0.8 lagging. Okay, means what about theta, or you can say phi? Cos in, first of all determine cos inverse 0.8, got 36.86, that is 36.86. So what about armature current in phasor form? That is 25.102 at the angle lagging, that's why 36.86. Okay, first of all determine E, excitation voltage. How to determine? With the help of this one is synchronous generator, that's why E is written as E this is equal to V plus IA into Zs. So what about V? V is written per phase 230 by root 3 at the angle 0 plus IA is written as 25.102 at the angle minus 36.86 into what about Zs? ZS is written as in the terms of 0.5 plus 1.2 J converted into, that is 1.3 at the angle 67.380. Okay, now multiply 25.102 at the angle minus 36.86, okay, plus 230 divided by root 3. Okay, finally got in the terms of polar form, that is 161.75 at the angle 5.8, that is 5.8. Clear? Bold. So excitation voltage in per phase is written as 161.75 at the angle 5.8. What about voltage regulation? That is E minus V divided by V into 100. What about E? We got 161.75 minus. What about V? V is written as 230 divided by root 3, that is V is V in per phase, that is 132.79 whole divided by 13279 into 100. Okay, minus 161.75, that is like this one, divided by 132.79. Okay, that is 21.80%. So voltage regulation is 28.0. Okay, corresponding to first part, voltage regulation is 21.8. Okay, now next one, the power factor of the load such that the voltage regulation is 0 on the full load. Okay, our motto, determine power factor. Okay, our motto, determine the power factor of the load such that the voltage regulation is 0 on full load. Means IA, this is equal to magnitude of IA, that is 25.102 ampere. Okay, voltage regulation is 0. Voltage regulation possible only, voltage regulation 0 in case of only, or if power factor is leading. So you can say that 0 voltage regulation is 0, means that is E minus V divided by E, this is equal to 0. So you can say that E this is equal to V. Clear? It is possible only if power factor is leading. Clear? If power factor is leading, then we got voltage regulation is 0. So it is clear, power factor is leading. But what about power factor? We have determined. Okay, in case of synchronous generator, so you can say that synchronous generator at leading power factor, that is E square, this is equal to V cos theta plus IA into RA to the whole square plus V sin theta minus IA into S, clear, to the whole square. Clear? With the help of this formula, I have already discussed how to get this formula. So E and V are same, so this one is also written as V square, this is equal to, it is written as V square plus IA square RA square plus, okay, plus 2 times VIA into RA cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, clear? This one is 0, first of all it is clear. This one written sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, that's why written only v square. V square cancel. So finally ia, first of all written corresponding this one. Okay, this one and this one cancel out, and this I is also cancel if common. Then okay, our motto determine sin theta. So our motto determine theta. First of all, how to determine? Okay, that is 2v Ra into cos theta minus s sin theta. This be equal to written as minus Ia into Ra square plus. Okay, now two V. What about V? V is 132.79 into, if multiplying both sides in minus sign, then this one is plus, this one negative, and this one is plus. So what about S? That is 1.2 sin theta minus Ra is 0.5 into cos theta. This be equal to Ia is written. What about Ia? Ia is 25.102 into Ra square. This is equal to 0.5 to the whole square, that is 0.25 plus 1.44. 1.2 whole square, that is 1.44. Okay, now resolve it. 1.2 sin theta minus 0.5 cos theta, it is written, this one is written as 0.25 plus 1.44 like this one into 25.102, got like this one, and divided by 2, again divide by 132.79, that is 0.15973. Okay, if again divided in both sides, that is 1.2 and that is also 1.2, divided by 1.2, that is got, this one is written as 0.13311. okay, and this one is written sin theta minus 0.5 divided by 1.2, that is 6 cos theta. Okay, clear? How to get it? That is 1 is written as r cos alpha, and 0.416 is written as r sin alpha. What about r? That is under root 1 plus 0.416 to the whole square. We got 0.416 to the whole square plus 1, like this one, under root of this one, that is 1 point something, that is 1.08307. okay, what about alpha? Alpha is equal to tan inverse 0.416. okay, tan inverse 0.416, that is 22 point something, that is 22.58. okay, degree. Okay, now this one is also written as Ranu, that is r sin theta into cos alpha minus, this one is also written as sin alpha cos theta. This is equal to 0.1331. okay, and divided by r is 1.08307. okay, so this one is written as sin theta minus alpha is written as 0.13311 whole divided by 1.08307 307, that is 1229. So sine inverse, that is 7.0. So theta minus alpha, we got theta minus alpha is 7.059. So theta is equal to alpha is, what about alpha? I have already got alpha is 22. So that is 22.58 plus 7.059 plus 22.58, that is 29.61. So got theta is equal to 29.61. So what about cos theta? Cos 29.61 is written as cos, that is 0.86 leading. This is the final answer. Make it. Clear? How to get corresponding to first one, excitation voltage we have find out. After that, the power factor of the load such that the voltage regulation is 0. Voltage regulation 0 only in case of leading power factor. So E this equal to V. After that, I know that the formula of this one in case of leading power factor, synchronous generator at leading power factor like this one, then with the help of this formula we got this one. Okay, make it.